What's up, what's up? You got Kuya Broom once again. Panibagong vlog, panibagong review, panibagong content. This time, we're gonna eat somewhere dito sa Stavanger downtown ng Mexican food. Yes, nasa Norway kami pero kakain kami Mexican food. Not Norwegian food, but Mexican food. In Norway with my sister, of course, and with my brother.
What up?
Right there. So we're gonna check the place out in 3, 2, 1. So, we are here dito sa Los Tacos, dito sa Stavanger, downtown. And they're ordering our food, Muy and Angelica. And I'm gonna show it to you later. And what's up?
What's up?
What are we gonna have?
I ordered a mix. And you choose cheese and you chose the Norwegian taco stuffing, right? And the third was the chipotle.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, well, I did the same.
Okay.
And I ordered the Carlsberg alcohol-free beer.
Alcohol-free.
Right.
Oh, great.
So we gotta wait like 20 minutes top because it's a lot of people.
Okay. So perfect. Dito kasi pwede yun, alcohol-free. Since hindi na ako umiinom ng alak, yun na lang sa akin. Tapos yun, yung mga sinabi niya yung order namin. I'll see you in a bit when we got the food. Bye! Oh yeah?
The perfect vlog.
Okay.
Para makakagat ka naman.
Hindi na tayo makaisip si Michelle na nag-isip para sa akin.
Go eat. Angelica, just pag-alo ka.
Ayan ako sa camera pag kumakain.
As if. Who are you kidding? Who are you kidding? Nahiya daw, ang laki ng kagat. Bulilyaso. It's like the hungry Pipina. Si Kuya naman, sarap,
Hey, that's pretty good.
How is it? They told you about the dice toss yet? Terningkast is like rating 1 to 6. So 6 is best.
What do you think about this? 6 or 5?
Yeah, 5.
5. How about you?
I would say 4+.
Oh, she's being like, there's improvement.
I can do better at home.
No, not just plus and minus. Yeah, 5. I will give it 5.
Guys are nice. Angelica's like, if I make it, it better be 6.
I had to go and order my food. I had to pick it up myself. Minus.
So the minus is on the service, not on the food exactly. But the establishment.
But I asked for mild spice. And it's actually, you can't feel the spice. Spice in our.
Bahala na si Kuyang mag-edit.
No! No!
Tignan ko paano mag-feeling nila Feeling nila talaga.
Sarap na kagat to. Magutom!
Bakit yung mga gusto nyo? Guys.
Where's Jane coming?
You're crying now?
Medium spicy.
Wait, I'm gonna have to film your phone.
Sweating.
I'm not crying. No, I'm not. I'm mad.
15 minutes later.
What's up mga kabroom? So we're done eating dito sa Los Tacos. It was a good food. Good food, right?
Yeah, good food.
And perfect siya. Now we got full right away, even though there are like 3 small servings. It was really heavy
It's packed with
in the stomach. Yeah, it's very packed.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
And then what sister got was burrito, our normal burrito, and she got full right away. But anyways, it was a nice taco joint.
Hey, that's pretty good.
I love it, and yeah, that's basically it.
Yeah.
I'll see you from now. More vlogs to come. Don't forget to
Subscribe.
and like
Share.
and ring the bell.
Bell. Ding 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 dong.
Buenos dias, more more. I don't know how you say it in Spanish.
Ciao.
Ciao. Bye.